Hello everyone, my name is Chris Convery and I am an instructor at Vancouver Community College in the Hair Design program. This video is for Module 1 of PIDP 3351 Feedback Strategies, and this video will explain the infographic I have created for my students. This infographic touches on the differences between a fixed, growth, and learner's mindset. I hope to use this tool when introducing my new class to the program to illustrate which mindset they have, along with recognizing the benefits of shifting to a growth mindset, and finally to a learner's mindset. My learners come from diverse backgrounds, ages, and skill levels. These factors contribute to how the students will react to their learning environment, especially when faced with new challenges in the hair design industry. I have witnessed many learners become frustrated when first attempting practical skills necessary in hairdressing. By pointing out the different mindsets that the learners can have and benefits of shifting to a growth, or better yet, a learner's mindset, I can improve my students' learning experience. This exercise has also enlightened me as to how I can approach my learners and encourage them to improve their own mindsets and in turn improve their performance in their studies. I've taken the key points from each mindset to further simplify the explanation of each. Most of our student intake are internationals with varying degrees of English comprehension. In my experience, keeping things concise benefits my learners. This infographic is simple in design, first posing the question, what type of mindset do you have? And immediately after that, what type is best for learning? The three different mindsets are then introduced, the fixed, growth, and learner's mindset. The belief of each mindset is first highlighted, then preceded by the corresponding results. At the top of the infographic, the fixed mindset states the belief that intelligence and talents are fixed traits that cannot grow and that our levels of ability is unable to improve. In the beginning of the hair program, frustration to be perfect on the student's first attempt is commonplace, which reflects a fixed mindset. If this mindset is not addressed and the learner does not shift towards a more positive one, the avoidance of challenges and giving up will occur as the learner will view that these setbacks are permanent failures. With the growth mindset, it states the belief that intelligence and talents can develop with change and with effort. The belief that the improvement will come with practice and hard work is also part of the growth mindset. I remind my learners to focus on the progression and improvement of their skills. This encourages them to practice their skills more repeatedly, even if there are minor setbacks. By adopting a growth mindset, learners will willingly embrace challenges and view failures as temporary and persist in the achievement of their goals. Lastly, I touch on the importance of transforming a growth mindset into a learner's mindset. The learner's mindset expands on the growth mindset with the belief that change in thinking towards challenges and changes in the learning environments can promote growth. I challenge my students to view their mistakes as a learning opportunity. I also remind them to continue to grow and improve their craft beyond the classroom and this program. This coincides with the learner's mindset, as individuals with this mindset consider every new experience as an opportunity to learn. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. This module has reinforced my personal beliefs that we are always learning and we can gain insight at every turn. Thank you.